having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
There's nothing else for us to say, but see you guys on the next one.
Well, wasn't that a great bit of crack? It was lovely to have the kids over and celebrate the launch of our new merchandise. So a few people on the channel have been requesting over the last while whether there was any kids merchandise available. Billy, in fairness to him, pulled out all the stops over the last couple of months and got some kids merchandise made up. He got it ordered, we got it here, and we tested it. Well, we well and truly tested it, as you can see there, and it really is lovely stuff. Just be careful with the sizes on it. Once or twice with an order or two we did, you're probably better off going up a size if you are ordering merch for your kids. So if they were a medium, get a large. It just seems to fit a little bit better there. The sizes in the kids stuff just seems to be a little bit small, but other than that, the stuff is lovely. We are launching some new pieces of merch also for adults in the new year. We have some more brilliant graphics done by Lewis, which I cannot wait to show you, one of which I am super proud of and really excited to show you. So those t-shirts are going to come in the new year, so can't wait to get those. Just need to order them and make sure they're what we want and make sure the print is right. It's that time of the year again. Wow, has that flown around? It seems like only a couple of months ago that we were shooting our garage renovation video, and here we are all the way back around again for another Christmas. The year has flown. It's been so much fun. I really enjoyed having all of this time with you guys. The channel grew brilliantly over the year, much more than I could have ever expected. So thank you so much for all your support. If you're new and watching this, sorry, no machining videos today, just a bit of fun with the kids and hanging out. But hopefully you guys are enjoying the shorts. We're going to release a good few of those over Christmas as well. Have a really great Christmas, everybody. Thank you so much for all your support, and I can't wait to make videos and join you and have everybody in the workshop in the new year for a bit of crack, a bit of fun. We'll launch our lives, get the lives going. We're going to do some new lives in the workshop, hopefully where you guys come for a couple of hours and join us as we move through doing actual jobs live in the shop. Billy got some new hardware. If you check out our Instagram channel, you'll see we got a new piece of kit for streaming live. We can have multiple camera angles. We've been playing with that this week. That's really exciting. Cannot wait to get down to the garage and play with that. So I think our first live stream on that is going to be fitting an engine to a race car that we have here in the shop. So God knows how long that'll take, but watch out for that. That's going to be a bit of fun. Taking up enough of your time. Happy Christmas and a really great new year to everybody. See you guys on the next one.